Easy reballing, the fastest, cleanest, and most trouble-free way to reball a BGA. This video will show you how easy it is to reball a device using an easy reball soldering preform. After the balls have been removed, the pads have been wicked, and the bottom of the device is clean. Apply a thin layer of paste flux to the bottom of the device to be reballed. Place the device to be reballed on top of the Easy Reball preform. Align the device and stencil, then lightly press down on the BGA against the stencil. Reflow the BGA. After reflow, remove the preform stencil from the BGA by gently peeling it away. Clean the device with isopropyl alcohol. Inspect the BGA per the established criteria. You now have a reballed device. Please visit our website at www.solder.net regularly, where you will find new product updates.